Okay, now we are recording.
This junk is crazy.
Look, everybody. Another day of a blizzard.
Nice blizzard too. So stay some feet behind.
That's what you get when you live in Syracuse.
Yep, perfect.
Nothing but snow and cold.
Snow and cold, right?
Mother Nature definitely made herself known.
Yeah, first. You know that, huh? I like the shiny.
Oh, shoot, a flash on?
Get a flash on.
Well, I'm about to hurry up and turn it off and then record again without the flash. Cause I can't leave leave the light on for you. Take a video of me. Ooh, me.
Man, look at
Alright,
this
Part 2 coming soon.
thing. Listen,
And no motherfucking phone.
it's a blizzard.